How to see your YouTube wrap. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device and then search YouTube. Make sure your YouTube is updated to the latest version. After you've done that, open YouTube app and then make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on You at the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, you will find your videos, download movies, and you will find YouTube Wrap below movies or below downloads in this section. Make sure you wait for some times as it will be rolled out and you will find it in here. After you find it, you can simply click on it and you will be able to see all your YouTube Wrapped. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.